Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to send a message on WhatsApp using your mobile phone. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once it opens, you'll see your chat list. To send a new message, tap on the chat icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will open your contact list. Now choose the person you want to message by tapping on their name. A chat window will open. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a text box. Type your message there. When you're done typing, tap the Send button, which looks like a paper plane. Your message will be sent instantly. And that's it. You've successfully sent a message on WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.